Everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the EPAM company, which is having the walk-in drive on 23rd and 24th of August. And this walk-in drive is in Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, and multiple other locations as well. So in Hyderabad, they are looking for automated testing in Java, or if you are comfortable with .NET or Python or JavaScript, anything is fine with them. And in Pune, they are looking for automation testing in Java and JavaScript. So this walk-in drive is on 23rd of August. And on 24th of August, the walk-in drive is in Chennai, and they are looking for someone who can do automation in .NET or in Python or in Java functional testing. So if you are someone who is living in Chennai and Bangalore and you're looking for a job switch there, so you can apply for these particular positions today itself. And notice period is immediate to 30 days joiners, and interested candidates can share their updated resumes at this particular email address along with the following details. So total experience, relevant experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, location, these all things are mandatory. So if you are looking for a job switch, so definitely EPAM is a very good company, and it would definitely give you a good kind of increment hike also, and there are not much news of layoffs in this particular company. So EPAM is very well known for getting the projects at a lower cost in the market compared to the other organizations. That is why they are always getting more and more projects. So let's say if you're hired in one of the project in the EPAM company, let's say it is ABC project. Once that project will end, you will have the opportunity to work in another project as well, right? So don't think if your project is ending, then your job will go away or you will get laid off. So it's not like that. EPAM company is really a good company, and definitely you can give it a try over there, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.